Hi, I'm Matt. In this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the RYSE SmartShade, the world's first retrofit motor to convert your existing window shades into motorized smart shades. So this is a look at the device itself. It's obviously quite small and sleek, which is nice. You can actually control it from the device itself right here, up and down. But personally, what I like using is the smartphone with it. Sure, with the smartphone, you can control it on the fly, but what I like about it is you can set schedules, which is definitely a little bit easier and what I prefer. So it works with your existing window shade simply by attaching the cord to it. And the installation is actually pretty simple, so you actually don't need any kind of professional or anything like that. And one of the sweetest things about it is it saves you all the money because you don't have to buy brand new motorized shades. You can use the ones that you already have. So this is a look inside of the packaging. The SmartShade is right here. And right here, if you scan this QR code, you'll be taken to a screen where you can check out a video installation guide, as well as live chat support. You can download the app and you can redeem a free smart button. And then what we have over here is the battery pack. And then lastly, what we have here is the accessory kit. So inside of this, what we have is the screws and nuts and bolts and the bead connectors for getting it installed. We have the micro USB for powering up and charging the battery pack here. And then what we have here is two different options for mounting brackets for when you're actually installing it onto your window frame. What you want to do is take a pencil or a pen and you want to go grab the beaded cord and you just want to make a mark right underneath where it's naturally hanging to, because right here is where you're going to install the mounting bracket. And then you want to grab the mounting bracket and you want to make sure that it is facing up. And then instead of getting screws and drilling into the wall, what I did is I got some 3M double-sided tape from Amazon, cut it to about the size that fits here. Then I just grab the mounting bracket and place it where the mark and the loop is. And once the mounting bracket installed nicely, just grab the SmartShade and your beaded chain. Gonna bring the beaded chain near this cogwheel here, pull down this little guardrail, and just gonna loop that in just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then you can take the back cover. I'm gonna put it into the bottom, little pegs are in, and just snap it into place. And then all you need to do is grab the device, bring it up to the top, and then just slide it in. So go ahead, you're just gonna go underneath, and it's gonna line up just like with the power adapter, and plug it in, kind of hear a little click. And then there you go. So once you get them installed, it's super easy to get them all paired and connected to your phone and to Alexa and all that good stuff. Another thing I love is moments like these when you're watching a movie and there's a little bit too much light coming in. You can just say something like this. Hey Alexa, close the shades.
Okay.
It's hands-free. You get through to there. So by integrating your smart shades with the SmartBridge, you can actually do a bunch of cool things like having up to 10 smart shades grouped together so they're all moving at the same time, because you can connect it with different smart voice assistants, for example, Amazon Alexa, Siri or HomeKit, and Google Assistant. So for example, here in my home, I'm using Amazon Alexa, which is great. And you actually have the ability to have remote access wherever you are in the world. They also do have the RYSE Smart Button. And so what this is what you see is what you get kind of button. You just click it and it'll control up to 4 shades at once. It doesn't require the smartphone at all. And it's just a simple way for you to control your shades. So if you'd like to pick up RYSE SmartShade for your home, you can buy them online directly from RYSE at helloryse.com. If you're in the US, you can pick them up on Amazon or bestbuy.com. And if you're in Canada, you can get it in actual Best Buy stores as well as at amazon.ca. Thanks so much for watching. I've been Matt, and thank you so much to RYSE for sending me this product, and good luck with your smart home.